Hi, my name is Pankaj Vij, and I head the projects and business development at my company, which is called Hyenr Private Limited. And we are a startup which are incorporated last year. And in this short span of 1 year, we are right now working in 5 states, and we're into solar energy and also into green hydrogen. We provide end-to-end solution that is not just consultancy, but manufacturing of panels, which we just started, and also doing the entire integration, that is installation and commissioning. Our mission is this, that we would like to provide green tech solutions which are accessible and affordable to people. That's the main mission. And our vision is that whatever proceeds that we generate from this firm, we would like to use it for the social cause, because we're working for the environment and it should also has an impact on the social. So we're working on the ESG goals is something which is there, and which is why we are working on this company.